Okay, this is how to give Dropazz instruction that will allow you to hands-free do things on your account. Okay, when you are logging on your account, just click on store management and select store settings, and then the first thing you see here on the form is the custom. Because we have not done anything here on this particular account, obviously, then we just need to select multiply. Now the reason is that some people may just say, okay, I want to use custom. The essence of the custom is that you want to put a static price in every product you are importing from AliExpress or from your Dropazz USA product tab. You are giving it a static pricing. Of course, you are likely not to do that. It's just on a rare case or occasion that you are able to say, I want a constant price for all products in my store that I'm importing. Multiply instead of having a static price. So for that reason, we want to say price markup. So let's multiply by, let's say if an item you are importing from AliExpress is $5, or you are importing from Dropazz USA product is $5, and you want to sell for $25 minimum in your store, then you put 5 right here. You just type 5 here. So automatically, once you are importing this product to your store, it will become $25 because 5 times 5 is 25, right? The price cent markup, it's about the dot so and so, right? Like .99, .89, the cent value, the cent markup, that is what put here. In fact, 25.99. So let's put that 99 here, or 89, right? Or 29 or 27, whatever. That's just a cent value, and this does not multiply. This one does not multiply. It's just going to pick that cent value and add to that multiplication that was done on the price markup. So like we said before, 5 multiplied by 5 becomes 25.99. okay, compare at price markup. This is the price that cancels, that canceled price when you see a product in your store, right? The one that cancels has to always be higher to make the customers feel like they are having a great deal. So if this one is multiplied by 5, let's multiply this one by probably 7, or compare at price markup, which just help your customers feel like they're having a deal and they're going to add product to cart and purchase. The same thing for the compare at price cent markup is the same that we did on the price cent markup here. So just put 99 here too, or 89, your choice. Now the next thing here is the default product description. All right, Dropazz allows you to make a simplified option where you no matter what you're importing from AliExpress or from Dropazz USA product, the description is going to be as simple as possible. That means it's going to try its best to remove links. It's going to try its best to remove any unwanted things, but that does not mean equally that you are not supposed to touch or go to your description product line when you are importing it under your import list to see what is there and make some personal adjustments. But Dropazz is going to do its best to reduce some stuff that are not much relevant in your product description tabs. Okay, so let's go. You can use always simplified product, but you can use custom. So custom says you should be able to type your product description, one product description here, and that product description is going to go all through product that you are importing in store. So this is almost like the custom pricing markup here. So obviously we don't need the custom description. Then original is where you want to import exactly what is the product description of that product in AliExpress. Exactly what is there is what you're importing into your store. So obviously you can decide to leave it that way if you want to do that, but of course you don't want to do that. It doesn't really make sense. And then you can empty it. You can choose empty so that you don't want any description to follow the products that you are importing into your store. Well, you know the answer. The best option should be what? Simplified. Okay, the next thing here is make products visible. We are going to choose this checkbox of blue. Now if you don't check this box like this, trust me, the product is going to send to your store, but it's going to be in draft. It's not going to be published to your store because make product visible. The product now is not visible if you don't check this box. Now synchronize product inventory when importing products, obviously. So the inventory means how many products are available to be sent by this vendor of yours on AliExpress or even in Dropazz, how many products are left. So this is important because it's going to help your customer know how many is left in stock, right? And then synchronize product inventory when changing products. So if you are about to change products, you want to update the product, you want to change products, maybe like the product price or whatever it is, update both the one that is on the inventory automatically. That's what this means. So check that up. Update product vendor when default supplier is changed, right? Obviously, if the default supplier in AliExpress of a particular product is changed, Dropazz updates that vendor to the new one. That is what this instruction is going to do. Randomize images file names when importing products. Now this is very important because though this one may not really concern you, but this is just for you to make your link, the link of your product, right, to be SEO and as well readability and simpler, right? Instead of having long kind of code or whatever it is on the URL, it will be a lot simpler when it actually comes to your store. That's first. Second is the product images. The title of the product images, the links of the product images are going to be simplified or made to be really readable. All right, so that's the essence of this. So make it random so that it's going to really work proper. So check these boxes. And then the next thing is the default weight. Leave it as it is, just custom. This will not make any effect at all. Just hit save and you are done. In fact, this is the only part I'll explain to you, and this is what you just need to do. The rest, in fact, forget it. It's not going to affect anything negative in your business. Like so, this is the first part that is very important for you to set up yourself here before you go ahead to start to import products into your store. Right? That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.